Dango Bafetu, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Today we can see starting lineup, guys. And starting lineup engeke ngasifaka nasi lesa engeke ngasifaka izolo bafethu. You can see the way ngiplane ngakhona ukuthi at least bafake uvele by for creativity bafake uVilakazi. I wish uVilakazi bangifake ezi number 10 namhlanje adlala ezi number 10 bafethu, but I am impressed ngesquad abasifakile namhlanje bafethu. It's on point guys. Ngesithande kakhulu isquad abasifake namhlanje. Kuba ngathi icoach beyibhekile the way ebengicreate ngakhona le squad bafethu. I wish our team the best bafethu. I wish we can win this one. Sike sishaye mhlambe ngo 3-0 or 4-0 nje bafethu. Sikwazi ukuthi nathi sibe ne record Betway Premier League Betway bafethu. Singajabula kakhulu mangabe kungenzeka lokho bafethu. Siyabonga kakhulu, sicela isupport umuntu asubscribe bafethu. Abaye stadium bafethu nibe safe nikwazi ukusupport i-team bafethu. Siyabonga kakhulu na kwi-coach ukuthi at least ike ishintshe bafethu, ifaka i-creativity egroundini bafethu nespeed. Iyo lento besiyidinga kakhulu. Danko bafethu. Sicela ukuthi ni subscribe lapho.